Hello, I am Aritra Basu and this is my testimonial for PTE Tutorials. I gave my Pearson's test of English in June 2019 and I scored an overall band of 75. I would like to give the credit for my scores to PTE Tutorials. I started preparing for my Pearson's test of English a few months before June, and at that point of time it was very difficult for me to attend classes as well as work my job. So I purchased a set of online mock examinations from PTE Tutorials. After I gave my mock examinations, I got my examination evaluated by PTE Tutorials and they helped me work on my weaknesses and the modules in which I was falling behind, and this helped to improve my score to a great extent. So when I went to write the real PTE examination, I was very confident and I had no anxiety and no form of frustration. So I gave my best and I scored 75. All thanks goes to PTE Tutorial, and if you are writing PTE examination, then I would like to recommend you the PTE mock tests by PTE Tutorials. Thanks, that's about it.